What's going on, guys? It's been a crazy week. We actually had snow here in PA, and now today it's going to be 80. Obviously there's no snow left, but there was snow, trust me. Like I said, it's been a crazy week. Battery in the Jeep died, so I replaced that. 2 days later, the Audi's battery died. So 2 batteries, same week. It's just been anyway, I think the problem with the Jeep was the battery was old. The problem with the Audi, the battery was old, but I also think it's the radio drawing power, even when it's off. So I'm gonna try to fix that today, probably off camera, just because you guys don't really need to see it. Today's gonna be a busy day. A lot of the crap you're not gonna see. I'm gonna change the oil in the Jeep. I don't know why I pointed you that way. In the Jeep. Change the oil in this. I might show that, I might not, but I'm also going to do the PCV Delete. Got the kit right here. That I'm definitely going to show on camera. And yeah, it's really simple. Shouldn't take long. It's probably not even going to be a 10-minute video, but we'll see. Maybe I'll time lapse a bunch of crap just to make it 10 minutes. Yeah. I think I did an oil change video on the Jeep before, how easy it was. If so, I'll link that above. There's a bunch on the Audis, so I don't really need to do one. It's simple. It's an oil change. They're all simple. So yeah, anyways, I gotta go get some energy drinks. I'll be right back. As usual, we had to swing by the car wash first. Alright, so let's get into today's video now. Here's the PCV Delete plate that I got. Literally just loops it back into itself. And this is for the other side. It has 3 ports on top for, you know, boost gauge or whatever. Or, sorry, I have a cold. Or you can just completely block them off. I have a boost gauge ordered, but it's on back order, so I'll have to save those and just plug them for now. Also, I'm not 100% sure if I delete the PCV if I need a catch can or not. I have this one, but I don't really think it's gonna work. It might. I don't have any hose right now anyway, so hopefully just blocking it off will be fine for now. I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments, or you won't, and I'll mess my car up, but whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna, this is all you should need. It literally is just these. Hopefully I have the right sizes, I don't know. So yeah, let's go out to the car. That's why I'm in the barn right now. So I got one neighbor mowing grass, and then another one is like pressure washing his deck or something. So I don't know how much you guys are gonna hear me. Anyway, once we get out there, it's just a matter of taking the hoses off. They pinch together, I believe, and then they just slide right off. And then take these out. There should be 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna time lapse it, probably. So if you have any questions, let me know. Also, yes, of course, I got this off Amazon, like always. All right, so before we get into that, I have a coolant leak. It's the infamous one right here. Anyways, that part's on back order as well. Also, if you know anything about junkyards, they do that. So chances are this is a junkyard motor. I was told water pump, timing belt, and all that was done 19,000 miles ago. Chances are that's not true. These are just squeezed together, I believe, and they just pop right off. I think. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if you have to turn them or not. Nope, just squeeze and pull. Okay, cool. That one's gonna be a pain. Also, you guys know Audis at all? Let me know what's supposed to go here, because literally there's a gap above every single one all the way down. I don't know what's supposed to go there. And I don't really, I mean, if it's not important, I don't care, obviously, but I'm gonna try to not, whoops. I was gonna say, I'm gonna try not to remove that. You guys are at a shitty angle. But I just have to deal with it for now. So you take that off. I'm gonna try to keep all this in case I have an issue down the road. I'll put it back on. Hopefully don't have any, but as you all know, I have shitty luck with cars, so there's that. Then next, I think we need to get that one out. This one here. This one goes back in. And then we take the 1, 2, 3, 4 out. First things first, I'm gonna cap this because that's easy. So hopefully y'all can see this. I think you can. I'm gonna leave these pointing up just because I want to. This literally just pushes on, and then you take this. Ta-da! It's on there. Literally it. And then I think that's broke. That's cool. So this one over here is a T30. I don't even know if I can get into them, but I'm gonna try. That bottom one over here is gonna be a pain. You guys is probably as gonna be different because I'm sure mine's been fucked with before. Then this one, I think it's a T20. It seems to fit pretty good. Maybe it's a little sloppy. And it's not even tight anyway. So that's good. I wonder if I can get into this one without losing stuff. Yeah, none of these were even freaking tight, guys. They're ridiculous. Of course it is plastic, and I'm putting on an aluminum one, so maybe I can put a little bit more force on it. But there we go. They're all out. Now you literally just take this thing off, just like that. And here's the reason why I'm getting rid of this, guys. Look at that. It's disgusting in there. It's all gunked up. Just that, mostly that one. The rest of these ports look okay. Yeah, look at this thing. I'm not 100% sure how to fix that, so if you guys know, let me know. So I've got no clue. And this side's a little gunky. Alright, I'm gonna get the other one on. It's literally just the opposite of what I did. Catch up with you guys in a sec. Alright, so I got everything back together here. It's tight, new gasket, all that good stuff. The only issue is this clip broke. Hopefully that doesn't pop off. Alright, those of you who have done this and put a catch can on, where y'all put that? You put it off of this line here, which just, I think, loops around over to here. Or do you guys put it over here? Let me know down in the comments, or you can get on my Instagram. Let me know. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna start it up now. I'm actually gonna get you guys a cold start here. I say cold start, it's 70 degrees. And I already drove the car earlier. It's been sitting for, I don't know, a couple hours. So, still a cold start. So let's set you back there. Fire this thing up. I'm actually just gonna set you guys right here because there's an exhaust leak, so. Alright, so it ain't leaking anywhere, but I don't know if y'all heard my intake. It didn't do that before I did this. I don't know if it's supposed to sound like that or not. Let me know in the comments below, because I have no freaking clue. But, yeah, that's what it sounds like.